Continuing our Christmas episode number 5, we are now going to discuss Tonic Bank. Ano ba ang features ni Tonic Bank na ma-highlight natin? Kasi pare-parehas na nga yung mga features ng mga banks na yan eh. And more often than not, yung unang pag-usapan nating banks ay merong mas magagandang features versus sa mga banks na later na nating na-discuss. But hindi naman ibig sabihin yan na mapangit na tong Tonic na to. Well, meron pa rin features itong Tonic na to na dapat yung malaman na baka pwede nyo rin gamitin. And may i-share din ako sa inyong budol ni Tonic Bank sa akin na naman. So samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin ang Tonic Bank at isa sa kanyang highlight na loan service which is the Credit Builder Loan. Samahan nyo ako, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Well, itong Tonic Bank na to ay ang unang digital bank na nabigyan ng license dito sa Pilipinas and had their launch date last March of 2021. Nag-offer sila ng interest na around 6% per annum sa mga savings nila. Fast forward today, medyo hindi na po kagandahan ang interest na binibigay ni Tonic. Nasa around 1% na lang po ang interest rate ng savings natin dito kay Tonic. However po, meron po silang tinatawag na solo stash wherein your deposit earns 4%. So para po itong personal goal sa Maya ng parang separate account inside your app para dun nyo po ilagay yung pera nyo for a specific goal. And another service po na pinoprovide nila ay time deposit wherein you can earn a maximum of 6% interest per annum sa deposit nyo with a tenure of 6 months. Basically, that's 5% with additional 1% as their promo right now. Then, as you move longer, medyo nababawasan po ang interest na pinoprovide nila for a time deposit. Dito na lang po sa illustration natin na ang 9 months, they give 4.35%. So 12 months, it's 4.55%. Sa 18 months naman, it's 4.75%. And sa 24 months, it's 4.95%. So parang basically, it's almost 5% na rin naman. So there's a minimum of 5,000 pesos if you wanted to open a time deposit account with Tonic. So ngayon, parang wala namang kakaiba, di ba? Mababa ang interest ni Tonic. And if you're going to ask naman kung meron silang free bank transfer, apparently, they charge for 8 pesos ng InstaPay fee for amounts reaching up to 50,000 pesos in one go. Thus, kung titingnan nga natin talaga, parang walang appealing feature itong Tonic na to. But, wait, ito po yan. Dito po sa Tonic, based on my experience, makakapag-withdraw po kayo ng pera nyo sa mga ATMs, BDO, Metrobank, BPI nang walang kaltas. Meaning free of charge. So basically, ang ginagawa ko po dito is, kunyari, ang pera ko po ay nasa Maribank, tapos kailangan kong mag-withdraw ng pera, kailangan ko ng cash na hawak. Ginagawa ko po is from Maribank, pwede ko po siyang i-transfer sa aking Tonic Bank and mag-withdraw either sa BDO, BPI, or Metrobank. Mas flexible po itong ginagawa ko kasi hindi po ako limited sa isang bank. Next thing to highlight na lang is the Credit Builder Loan. We have discussed this initially for a couple of our videos, which is this. However, this time, and I posted this na rin sa aking Facebook page, na nanunukso talaga itong si Tonic Bank, na ngayon, instead of 20,000, 50,000 pesos na ang maximum na pwedeng utangin sa Tonic Credit Builder. And ito po yung natanggap kong email from Tonic Bank with regards to this Credit Builder. Yay! You got a sweet loan offer. Look here, you have a sweet loan offer made just for you. We've got something special for you. We're so in love with you that we prepared a perfect loan offer just for you and your profile. Get 50,000 and use it for whatever you want. Go on shopping spree, take a much-needed vacation, and ito, sabi nila dito, if you get an offer, we highly recommend you take it ASAP. Offers can change anytime. Nung nakita ko to, nagulat ako na bakit 50,000 na. And then when I checked their website, yun nga, na in-update na nila yung limit ng kanilang credit builder. But previously guys, they had this cash loan offer na ni-rename nila sa Credit Builder. The cash loan option ni Tonic, which I have reviewed some time ago using this video, up to 50,000 pesos din ang makukuha yung cash loan dito. Eventually, ni-rename nila yung program to Credit Builder para nga naman makapag-build ka ng credit history with Tonic using small amounts na loan, and then now, in-update na nila to sa 50,000 pesos. Hindi po ako manghihiram, but I wanted to show you guys kung magkano ba ang interest na ino-offer nila sa 50,000 pesos na loan na to. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel, dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. Okay, so click natin yung Credit builder, yan, 50,000. Ilagay po natin 50,000. Then, ito po yung options natin. So, meron tayong 6, 9, and 12 months to pay. Siyempre, ang magandang piliin po natin dito yung 12 months. So, piliin po natin. 12 months to pay, ang babayaran po natin ay 6,267.17. So, this amount does not include pay hinga pa, amounting to 570.94. But, I wanted to try na walang pay hinga na lang. Pay hinga is like a payment holiday wherein you can skip paying for 2 months. So, pwede nyo i-avail itong payment holiday na to dahil binabayaran nyo naman itong feature na pay hinga. And at the same time, it includes credit life insurance. But for the sake of calculation lang ng walang additional na add-on sa loan, mag-proceed lang tayo with an unprotected loan or yung walang pay hinga. So, 6,267.17 times 12, that would give us 75,206.04. And then, ang loan amount natin ay 50,000. It would give us around 25,206.04 na interest. I-divide po natin to by the principal. 50.41% po ang interest netong loan na 50,000 for 12 months. Kung kunin po natin ang interest per month, lumalabas po na 4.20% po ang interest natin for month. And just a context lang po on the interest rate, kung sino bang mas mura. Well, kay Maribank po, they offer 2.5% as a promo interest. But kung wala naman po promo interest, nasa 2.95% po. Thus, kung titingnan po natin, mas okay na deal po ang Maribank Credit versus dito sa Tonic Cash Loan. And at the same time, kung bilis cash loan naman po yan, it's 3.49%. And lastly, kung i-compare naman natin to with Atomic Cash Loan, si Atomic po ay nag-offer ng around 6%. Thus, comparing it with Tonic, mas mababa naman po ang Tonic Credit Builder na to versus dito kay Atomic Cash Loan. In summary, dalawa yung best feature na nakikita ko na beneficial sa akin dito kay Tonic. Una is the free withdrawal ng kanilang mga ATM. Though guys, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin na merong charge sa 300 pesos kapag umorder kayo ng Tonic ATM. But magiging useful naman siya every now and then. Pangalawang feature is the credit builder. If ever na gusto mo talagang umutang, well, this credit builder is okay rin namang hiraman dahil si Tonic ay bank, and at the same time, wala po talaga akong deposit dito kay Tonic. And nagulat na lang po ako na kahit wala akong transaction with them, ina-approvean pa po nila ako for a credit builder loan. For our weekly GCash giveaway po, you have to share this video to your Facebook, YouTube, X, or even Instagram and answer the question of the day sa ating comment section sa baba. So, for our question of the day, would you go with the hassle na mag-transfer pa ng pera from one bank to another bank just to withdraw sa mga ATM machines na libre? Or you don't mind the charges na charge ng mga ATM machines? Comment nyo po yan sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Weezing Clips Daily. Sabi po niya, shoutout boss. Kay Weezing Clips Daily, shoutout po sa inyo. Salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos at ng aking channel. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!